3D printing technology has revolutionized the way we produce objects such as tools, clothing, toys, and even body parts. In a process commonly referred to as additive manufacturing, 3D printing allows you to recreate complex three-dimensional objects and parts by adding raw materials layer by layer. Unfortunately, 3D printers don't come cheap. To make matters worse, the market has been saturated with a countless number of printers with varied capabilities, price points, and from different manufacturers. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 of the best 3D printers on the market that are suitable for both household and commercial purposes. Whether you're beginning your career as a 3D artist, a parent interested in printing small household items, an educator looking to install a 3D printer in their classroom, or even an architect who wants to create structural prototypes, this video will help you choose the right 3D printer. To get more information about any of the products in our video, check the links in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. At number 1 on our list is the LotMax SC10 3.5-inch 3D printer. There are multiple 3D printers on the market today, catering for beginners and small-scale users. However, very few of them have managed to do it correctly, as they come with an oversimplified structure. Instead of taking this lazy route of watering down the structural integrity of the printer, the LotMax SC comes with a one-piece body structure and a small footprint, which enhances stability and allows for quick installation. For detailed, dimensionally accurate, and structurally robust models, this printer is also fitted with a 0.4mm diameter nozzle that's capable of withstanding temperatures of up to 260 degrees. If that's not enough, the machine is also fitted with the XY axis and Z axis positioning capability to ensure print accuracy. Put it all together, and these attributes mean the printer can work at a maximum print speed of 180 millimeters per second to deliver a 235mm by 235mm by 280mm product forming size. Another noteworthy feature of the LotMax SC 3D printer is the 3.5-inch touchscreen. It not only allows you to adjust simple settings such as speed, layer height, and temperature, but it also gives you granular control over all the other printing parameters. Thanks to the filament shutdown detection alarm, you can now confidently print your 3D models without having to worry about running out of raw materials. This function reads the consumables amount and automatically alerts you when the machine is about to run dry. And in the case of an accidental power failure or incoming calls when using Bluetooth module, the LotMax SC comes with an intelligent induction capability which allows it to continue functioning. If you're looking for an advanced yet user-friendly 3D printer, the LotMax SC ticks off all those boxes. It produces super detailed and dimensionally accurate models, and the user interface makes it easier to work with for even beginners. Coming in at number 2 is the XYZ Printing DaVinci 1.0 Pro 3D printer. This is another excellent 3D printer capable of producing sharp and crisp objects at a relatively insane speed. It features a 7 1/8-inch product forming size and a maximum 400 micron thickness, making it ideal for lightweight 3D printing jobs. In addition to the high printing ability, the DaVinci 3D printer also comes with a laser engraving capability, which allows you to customize your print designs. Additionally, the adjustable heated aluminum build platform also comes in handy by preventing warping and misprints that could occur, especially when printing at maximum speed of 120 millimeters per second. You'll also appreciate the temperature variable hot end, which enhances the versatility of this printer, allowing you to adjust different settings and print your models in a wide range of consumables, including ABS, PLA, and advanced materials like wood, metal composites, conductive PLA, and dissolvable PVA. For supplementary connectivity, this printer is also built with Wi-Fi and mobile printing. You can now print anything from your USB or Wi-Fi connected devices, and also your Ethernet without breaking a sweat. If you're looking for a 3D printer that gives you the freedom to customize your designs, the XYZ Printing DaVinci is your product. It's simple, straightforward to use, and is easy without preventing you from delving deeper as you try to get more out of your printer. Did one of our first two printers catch your eye? Well, if not, keep watching because we still have more products to feature. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next video. Next on our list at number 3 is the FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D printer. This fully enclosed 3D printer is designed to take on even the toughest three-dimensional jobs. What makes it so special? For starters, this FlashForge Adventurer 3 is equipped with a nozzle that enables you to load filaments into the machine without creating an unnecessary mess. The nozzle is capable of reaching temperatures of up to 200 degrees Celsius in a record 50 seconds, which dwarfs most of the 3D printers currently available on the market. The machine's extruder system also comes fitted with an air guide and turbofan, which help improve the print quality. On top of that, you can easily unplug the extruder system nozzle without disassembling the entire machine, thanks to the buckle release design. And did you know that the FlashForge Adventurer 3 has a no leveling mechanism? This means that you don't have to slave over trying to manually get the printing height. When it comes to the printing output, this printer can effortlessly produce a 150mm by 150mm by 150mm print volume at 100 micron resolution. Another notable mention is the FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D Cloud platform. It offers you free file storage, automatic print files, slicing, and file backup and sharing. If you're into FlashForge machines and devices, the cloud platform also allows you to centralize and manage all of them on a single platform. To sum it up, the FlashForge Adventurer 3 is a minimalist, lightweight, and compact design. It's built with performance in mind and comes with multiple intuitive features such as the removable print bed, automatic filament feeding system, and built-in camera, all of which enhance usability and functionality. At number 4 is the MakerBot Replicator 3D printer. Without a doubt, this machine outscores most of its competition in terms of user-friendliness and design. It comes with a large LED screen giving you a clear view of the text without having to squint. The 50 micron maximum resolution and hefty 9.9 by 7.8 by 5.9 inch bed plate area permit you to print dozens of small prints or single large pieces, which is always a problem with a lot of 3D printers. Relative to other 3D printers that require you to make alignments when detaching the extruder, the Replicator's Smart Extruder is magnetically attached, making it a piece of cake to detach. Moreover, the multiple internal sensors help detect any filament problems and alert you before any of your prints can get ruined. Wi-Fi connectivity and a built-in camera are also other awesome and equally helpful additions. In case of an issue that's detected by the Smart Extruder, the printer will temporarily pause the printing process and send a notification to your smartphone. This facilitates remote monitoring and keeps you in the loop of what's happening with your 3D printer, as well as significantly reducing downtime. For easy setup, the Replicator 3D printer also comes with a guided wireless setup and pre-leveled Z-homing build plate, all of which can be accessed through the MakerBot mobile application. The platform also gives you additional perks such as access to millions of print modeling files and the world's largest 3D printing community and marketplace. If you're looking for a high-end 3D printer with premium specifications, MakerBot Replicator is for you. Wrapping up our list at number 5 is the Monoprice MP Mini Delta 3D printer. As the name Mini would suggest, this 3D printer is built with speed and portability in mind. Standing at just 15 inches by 10 inches, it has a reasonable dimension, making it ideal for small to medium-sized printing models. The word portability wouldn't mean much if you had to manually adjust the print bed level each time you use it. For this reason, the Mini Delta comes with an easy auto calibration and leveling feature, which levels the printing bed within seconds, reducing downtime. One important element in 3D printing is speed. With the MP Mini Delta, you won't have to worry about waiting for days before your prints are ready. It comes with a maximum printing speed of 150 millimeters per second, which is decent for a machine of this size. It also features 50 micron maximum layer resolution, resulting in high quality prints. In addition to ABS and PLA, Monoprice is capable of crafting models with PETG and wood-infused filaments, giving you greater flexibility in terms of what you can build. Moreover, the manufacturer doesn't lock you into a specific proprietary filament, giving you the freedom to source your consumables from the manufacturer of your choice. If you're a beginning 3D printing enthusiast, Monoprice MP Mini Delta is a solid buy. It has a relatively easy learning curve, portable, and more importantly, a high top speed that outmatches many of its rivals within the same category. It also produces minimal noise during operation, making it ideal to use in an office setting. And there you have the list of the 5 best 3D printer brands on the market. As you notice, every individual printer has its own unique set of features and capabilities that help it stand out from the rest. Different models and brands will appeal to different people based on their requirements and needs. We hope that this list will help you narrow down the product that's best for you and your needs. If you like any of the listed printers, click on the link below to get it at its best price. We also love your suggestions and comments, so if there's a product you have in mind that you'd like to see us review, comment below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can receive more reviews in the future. Thanks for watching.